Be one of the HD Interiors family. To make your home vibrant, HD Interiors channel is your way to build a contemporary home. Wall mirrors offer a perfect balance of aesthetics and functionality when they are purchased and placed mindfully. More than just making a room appear bigger and brighter, wall mirrors are also used as a versatile decor element. In other words, they can help unify a space, add some style, and also achieve balance. Mirrors emit positive and good energy into your room, increase its appeal, make a statement, and amplify the lighting of dimly lit rooms. It can create a beautiful focal point in your room if you add cool LED strip lights around it. Now, let's dive into some trendy wall mirror designs available so you can make the best pick to beautify your home. Want to bring nature's goodness into your dining room? You can add clustered wall mirror set with wooden frames, looks earthy, rustic, and brims with the abstract appeal. Just one of these is enough to make a statement in the room. Pairing it with a simple wooden sideboard and a few green potted plants, along with loads of natural light streaming in, will complete the look of this space. Embellish your home's main entrance or hallway with this designer wall mirror. Its cutting-edge, pinwheel-like design on the outer end looks sleek and creates visual drama in this room. It complements well with the compact, multi-level Sunmaka showcase, and ties together all the elements in this room harmoniously. A flower-shaped wall mirror design. If you're someone who loves flowers, you can go in for a flower-shaped wall mirror design for your living room. The elegant and intricate detailing of the petals stands out against the gray-brown, industrial-style wall and the tripod floor lamp. This one helps you achieve that perfect balance between tradition and modernity. Flowers also represent a forever closeness between people, so it can be considered an apt addition to a family room. A gear-shaped wall mirror design. A gear-shaped wall mirror looks visually striking and drastically opens up transitional spaces in your home. Its frame is made up of beveled glass that gives it a sophisticated and eclectic look. It blends seamlessly with the other decor elements in the room, especially those well-illuminated table lamps. Round wall mirror with bubbles effect frame. If you love the calmness of the water, the round wall mirror with a bubble effect frame will be the perfect pick for your bedroom. It pairs harmoniously with a dual-hued sea green accent wall, light blue carpet, gray granite floor, and muted throw pillows, and gives you a sense of floating on water. Hanging pendant lights on each side of the bed add an extra layer of style to the bedroom. Round wall mirror with metal band frame. Add a pop of contrast and sparkle to any pale wall by installing a simple round wall mirror with a dark brown finish metal band frame. It lends a contemporary look to the room's interiors and becomes one with the decor. The round mirror also helps soften the hard angles of the room while making it look airier.